Let's walk through how energy transfers in this pendulum system. For this example, we're going to focus on points A through E. For the first point on this pendulum, point A is at the highest point throughout this specific system, and so we have 100% potential energy and no kinetic energy. And this is specific to that point in the air as the pendulum swings. As the pendulum swings from A to B, you will get a decrease in potential energy because its position is changing and the gravitational potential energy is transferred into that kinetic energy. So the pendulum continues to swing from point B to C, continuing the decrease of gravitational potential energy into the max kinetic energy at the bottom of this system. That is where the pendulum is swinging the fastest. Okay, let's look at the second half of the system. This time we're going to put it into a graph. At point C, we have the max kinetic energy, which means potential energy is at the minimum. As the pendulum swings from C to D, that kinetic energy is going to decrease while the gravitational potential energy is going to increase. And as we move from point D to E, the position of the pendulum is increasing, therefore the gravitational potential energy is at its max at point E.